guys remember my M4? As you remember, it was white, but not anymore. If you wonder what's the name of this grab, it's called Midnight Purple. True Creations is a business, a grabbing business, that is located in San Bernardino, California. They did an awesome job doing this grab. A lot of labor. They did so many details, and this will give you the idea what a grab can do to your vehicle if you decide to do it. For that, you can contact True Creations, and they will help you to do an amazing job as this one. And thanks to True Creations for creating this masterpiece on my BMW M4. You can see it looks totally different. What do you think about it? Comment below. Comment, give me all your opinions, tell me what do you think about this type of grab, this Midnight Purple. I think it's a perfect combination, black and purple, and that is the reason why I decided to go with it. Something different, something that I thought for a long time what color I wanted to go through, and all the details we did with their black roof and all the things over there, they were part of the design of this grab. And also True Creation made this possible thanks to their determination and hard work. We got to see all these little details here and there to make this car pop everywhere I go.